हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में हम लोग ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि आपके फॉर्मा एग्जाम में ही नहीं, अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में भी इम्पोर्टेंट रहने वाले हैं, है ना। तो जितने भी लोग हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन? ऑप्शन ए हार्ट, ऑप्शन बी लिवर, ऑप्शन सी ब्रेन, ऑप्शन डी स्किन। तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपका डी, स्किन इज द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन। ठीक है ना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ आरबीसी? व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ आरबीसी? ऑप्शन ए इम्यून डिफेंस, ऑप्शन बी ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, ऑप्शन सी हार्मोन प्रोडक्शन, ऑप्शन डी डाइजेशन। तो करेक्ट आंसर आपका हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी, ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन। है ना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, which of the following hormone is the produced by the thyroid gland and regulate metabolism? ऑप्शन ए इंसुलिन, ऑप्शन बी एस्ट्रोजन, ऑप्शन सी थायरोक्सिन, ऑप्शन डी एड्रेनालिन। ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, थायरोक्सिन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ alveoli in the lungs? What is the primary function of alveoli in the lungs? Option A oxygen exchange, option B filtration of air, option C voice production, option D food digestion. Correct option A, oxygen exchange. Question number 5, which of the following is not primary tissue type in human body? ऑप्शन ए एपिथेलियल, ऑप्शन बी कनेक्टिव, ऑप्शन सी मस्कुलर, ऑप्शन डी न्यूरोनल। तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपका न्यूरोनल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, which part is the brain responsible for regulating basic body functions like breathing and heart rate? ऑप्शन ए cerebrum, ऑप्शन बी cerebellum, ऑप्शन सी मेडुला ऑब्लिंगेटा, ऑप्शन डी हाइपोथैलेमस। तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी, मेडुला ऑब्लिंगेटा। मेडुला ऑब्लिंगेटा इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द ब्रीदिंग and heart rate. Question number 7, what is the main function of urinary system? Blood circulation, digestion, exchange of waste product, option D sensory perception. तो correct option C, exchange of waste products. Question number 8, which hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar level in human body? ऑप्शन ए इंसुलिन, ऑप्शन बी एस्ट्रोजन, ऑप्शन सी टेस्टोस्टेरोन, ऑप्शन डी थायरोक्सिन। करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए इंसुलिन। इंसुलिन रेगुलेट द ब्लड शुगर लेवल इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, what is the part of digestive system is responsible for absorbing most nutrient from food? ऑप्शन ए स्टमक, ऑप्शन बी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, ऑप्शन सी लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, ऑप्शन डी एसोफेगस। तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपका स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एब्जॉर्बिंग मोस्ट न्यूट्रिएंट फ्रॉम फूड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, what is the primary function of the lymphatic system? ऑप्शन ए ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, ऑप्शन बी इम्यून डिफेंस, ऑप्शन सी डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड, ऑप्शन डी रेगुलेटिंग ऑफ बॉडी टेम्परेचर। तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, इम्यून डिफेंस, है ना। इम्यून डिफेंस इज द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ lymphatic system. Question number 11. Which gland often referred as master gland because it controls many other endocrine glands? Option A thyroid gland, option B adrenal gland, option C pituitary gland, option D pancreas. Correct option C pituitary gland is control many other endocrine glands. Question number 12. What is the primary function of spleen? Blood filtration, B digestion, hormone production, muscle contraction. Correct answer option A blood filtration. Question number 13. Which part of human eye is responsible for bending and focusing light into retina? Option A cornea, option B lens, option C retina, option D sclera. Correct option B lens. Lens is responsible for bending and focusing light into the retina. Question number 40. What is the primary function of skeletal system? Blood circulation, movement, digestion, vision. तो correct option V movement. Movement is the primary function of the skeletal system. Question number 15. Question number 15. कह रहा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम? ऑप्शन ए ब्लड फिल्ट्रेशन, ऑप्शन बी फूड डाइजेशन, ऑप्शन सी गैस एक्सचेंज, ऑप्शन डी मसल कोऑर्डिनेशन. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी गैस एक्सचेंज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. विच टाइप ऑफ मसल इज अंडर वॉल्यूंटरी कंट्रोल? ऑप्शन ए कार्डियक मसल, ऑप्शन बी स्मूथ मसल, ऑप्शन सी स्केलेटल मसल, ऑप्शन डी इनवॉल्यूंटरी मसल. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. स्केलेटल मसल इज अंडर वॉल्यूंटरी कंट्रोल. कार्डियक एंड स्मूथ इज द वॉल्यूंटरी मसल, इनवॉल्यूंटरी मसल. ठीक है ना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. What is the main function of WBC leukocytes in the human body? Oxygen transfer, option B immune defense, option C digestion of food, option D blood clotting. Correct option B immune defense. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a component of circulatory system? Option A heart, option B blood vessels, option C lungs, option D blood. Correct option C lungs. Lungs is the part of respiratory system. Question number 19. What is the main function of pancreas in the human body? Regulation of blood sugar level, option B oxygen transport, option C immune defense, option D muscle contraction. Correct option A pancreas, regulation of blood sugar level, because pancreas is secreted insulin. Question number 20. What is the primary function of adrenal gland? Option A regulation of metabolism, option B blood filtration, option C fight or flight response, option D temperature regulation. Correct option C fight and flight response. Question number 21. Which of the following organ is not a part of digestive system? Option A liver, option B lungs, option C stomach, option D small intestine. Correct option V lungs. Lungs is the part of respiratory system. Question number 22. What is the primary function of esophagus in the human body? Option A digestion of food, option B transport of air, option C transport of food from mouth to stomach, option D immune defense. The correct option C transport of food mouth to stomach. Question number 23. Which of the following is a hormone responsible for the regulation sleep-wake cycle? Option A insulin, option B melatonin, option C thyroxine, option D estrogen. The correct answer option B melatonin is a hormone responsible for the regulation sleep-wake cycle. Question number 24. What is the primary function of gallbladder? Option A digestion of carbohydrate, option B storage of bile, option C blood filtration, option D immune defense. The correct option V storage of bile. Storage of bile is the primary function of gallbladder. Question number 25. Which of the following is part of CNS? Spinal cord, option B peripheral nerve, option C somatic nervous system, option D autonomic nervous system. Correct option A spinal cord is the part of central nervous system. Question number 26. What is the primary function of epiglottis in the human body? Option A regulation of body temperature, option B protection of the trachea during swallow, option C production of gastric juices, option D vision. Correct option B protection of the trachea during swallowing. Question number 27. Which of the following is not a part of male reproductive system? Option A testes, option B prostate gland, option C uterus, option D epididymis. Option C is correct. Uterus. Uterus is the part of female reproductive system. Question number 28. What is the primary function of the hypothalamus in the human body? Option A regulation of blood sugar level, option B control of body temperature, option C regulation of heart rate, option D storage of heart rate. The correct option B control of body temperature is the main function of hypothalamus. Question number 29. Which of the following is the not function of largest intestine? Option A nutrient absorption, option B water absorption, option C formation of feces, option D storage of undigested waste. Correct option A nutrient absorption, because the nutrient absorption is the function of small intestine. Question number 30. Which type of muscle in the found internal organs such as the stomach and intestine? Option A skeletal muscle, option B cardiac muscle, option C smooth muscle, option D voluntary muscle. Correct option C smooth muscle is the internal organs such as the stomach and intestine. Question number 31. What part of the human ear responsible for transmitting sound vibrating to inner ear? Option A, eardrum. Option B, cochlea. Option C, vestibule. Option D, auditory canal. Correct option A, eardrum. Eardrum. Question number 32. Which of the following is not a function of liver? Option A, detoxification. Option B, blood filtration. Option C, metabolism of nutrients. Option D, production of bile. Correct option, blood filtration. Blood filtration is the function of kidney. Question number 33. What is the function of cornea in the human eyes? Option A, bending and focusing light. Option B, color vision. Option C, light absorbing. Option D, hearing. So correct option A, bending and focusing light is the function of cornea. Question number 34. What is the role of semicircular canal in the human ear? Option A, hearing. Option B, balance and orientation. Option C, sound emulsification. Option D, sound transmission. The correct option B, balance and orientation. Question number 35. Which of the following is the function of thymus gland? Option A, regulation of blood sugar. Option B, immune system development. Option C, production of insulin. Option D, regulation of body temperature. Correct option B, immune system development is the function of thymus gland. Question number 36. Which of the following is not a function of blood? Option A, transportation of oxygen and nutrients. Option B, immune defense. Option C, regulation of body temperature. Option D, digestion of food. So correct answer option D, digestion of food is not function of blood. Question number 37. What is the primary function of human respiratory system? What is the primary function of the trachea in the human respiratory system? Option A, oxygen exchange. Option B, filtration of air. Option C, voice production. Option D, airway passes. The correct option D, airway passes. Question number 38. Which part of the human brain is the responsible for the higher cognitive function include reasoning and problem solving? Option A, medulla oblongata. Option B, cerebellum. Option C, cerebrum. Option D, hypothalamus. तो correct option C, cerebrum. Question number 39. What is the primary function of the adrenal medulla within the adrenal gland? Option A, regulation of blood sugar. Option B, regulation of metabolism. Option C, secretion of stress hormone, filtration of blood. Option D, filtration of blood. Option C is correct. Secretion of stress hormone, filtration of blood. Question number 40. What is the primary function of the Eustachian tube in the human ear? Option A, sound emulsification. Option B, equalization of air pressure. Option C, sound transmission. Option D, hearing. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन वी, करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, इक्वलाइजेशन ऑफ एयर प्रेशर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, what part, which part of brain is responsible regulating hunger, thirst and body temperature? Option A, cerebrum. Option B, cerebrum. Option A, cerebellum. Option B, cerebrum. Option C, medulla oblongata. Option D, hypothalamus. Option D is correct, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is responsible for regulating hunger, thirst and body temperature. Question number 42. What is the primary function of gallbladder in the digestive system? Digestion of carbohydrate, storage of bile, blood filtration, production of gastric juices. Correct answer option B. Storage of bile is the primary function of gallbladder. Question number 43. Which of the following is not a component of endocrine system? Option A, adrenal gland. Option B, thyroid gland. Option C, spleen. Option D, pancreas. Correct answer option C. Spleen is not a component of endocrine glands. Question number 44. What is the function of semilunar valve in the heart? Option A, prevent blockage of blood into the ventricles. Option B, control the heart rate. Option C, pump blood to the lungs. Option D, control blood pressure. Option A is correct, prevent backflow of blood into the ventricles. Question number 45. What is the primary function of spleen in the human body? Option A, blood storage. Option B, digestion. Option C, hormone production. Option D, muscle contraction. Correct answer option A, blood storage is the primary function of spleen, so it is also known as blood bank. Which of the question number 46. Which of the following hormone is produced by pancreas and regulate blood sugar level? Option A, glucagon. Option B, thyroxine. Option C, melatonin. Option D, estrogen. Correct answer option A, glucagon. Glucagon hormone is produced by pancreas and regulate blood sugar level. Question number 47. What is the primary function of the optic nerve in human eye? Answer option A, color vision. Option B, transmit visual signal to brain. Option C, adjust the shape of lens. Option D, control pupil size. Option V is correct, transmit visual signal to brain. Question number 48. Which part of the training responsible for coordination, voluntary muscle movement and balance? Option A, cerebrum. Option B, cerebellum. Option C, medulla oblongata. Option D, thymus, hypothalamus. Option V is correct, cerebellum. Question number 49. What is the primary function of the pineal gland in human body? Option A, regulation of blood pressure. Option B, production of insulin. Option C, regulation of sleep-wake cycle. Option D, immune system development. Option C is correct, regulation of sleep-wake cycle. Question number 50. How many chambers in heart? So this question answer comment in the comment box. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.